just prepared a speech, but it's pretty long. Okay.
Your flow.
Money is not a subject that a student would like to study during Christmas holidays. I, Samita Joshi, of class 8, felt the same thing before I attended this class. I thought, what will I study on money? I know everything. And money is anyway for adults. But I still had some curiosity in my mind, so I came to check it out. The session turned out to be really good. I found myself thinking about how I can use money efficiently and how I won't waste it and use it on something I don't really want. I don't really need, but just want it for a moment's pleasure. I learned what investments and loans are, and how they can help us, and how they can help us and how they can harm us at the same time. My decision about opening a bank account is firm now because I know that it will help to keep the money rolling, and it will my money will also grow. I have learned many things in this workshop, and I would like to thank Mr. Senthil for that. And though I learned many different things, the most important thing I learned is that money is child's play, and I remember that for my whole life.